Hey everyone, welcome back to WatchBase, your go-to series for all the basics of the watch collecting hobby. This is Chris from Telling Time, and today we're tackling one of the coolest ways to refresh your timepiece, the NATO strap. If you're new to the hobby, it would be about the time that you're getting sick of the stock bracelet of your watch and are looking for a refreshed look. The NATO strap is perfect for dressing down your watch for casual occasions. In this video, I'll show you how to easily install and style one on your watch, all in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to remove the existing strap or bracelet. I won't go through it all in this video, but if you're interested in how to remove a watch bracelet, check out WatchBase episode 2. And if you're interested to learn more about the history of the NATO strap and this specific one, check out my review on it here. So, the starting point of this tutorial will be after removing your existing bracelet or strap and reinstalling the spring bars. Grab your NATO strap and take a look at it. You'll see that there's actually two pieces of fabric that make up the strap, but don't worry about that extra bit and just focus on the long piece for now. We'll come back to that later. The strap is designed to loop through both spring bars, giving you both style and security. And here's how you install it. Simply take the tail end of the strap with the keepers facing upwards and slide it through the top spring bar from above, just like so. Pull it through until the watch sits near the first keeper. Now thread the strap back through the bottom spring bar from underneath and pull out the slack from between the strap and the watch. Now this is where we come back to the extra flap. These flaps were a product of excess fabric and the manufacturing method of the original NATO strap, but many modern designs have kept it to pay homage to the original. All you need to do is take the long tail and thread it through the keeper at the end of the short piece. And just like that, your watch is now secured on the strap. Take a look at the watch, and if you notice that it is off center between the two keepers, simply shuffle the strap along the spring bar until it's centered. Now let's put it on wrist. The NATO strap is a one-piece strap which is secure via the buckle and the strap holes like so. Then tuck the long tail in through the buckles and fold the excess tail back through and secure it with the second keeper. And there you have it, your watch is now rocking a NATO strap. Not only does it look great, but it's also secure and super comfortable. Perfect for everyday wear and outdoor adventures. See how easy that was? A NATO strap is one of the simplest ways to upgrade your watch game. With so many colors and patterns to choose from, you can mix and match to suit any outfit or occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more independent watch content. Have questions or your own NATO strap tips? Drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode.